God is good, all the time God is good. Greetings to you, my dear students. Hope all of you are having an enjoyable time during this joyful season. As you all know, due to the classes being conducted virtually, I am not able to address all of you together as I used to do in the morning assemblies earlier. Keeping this in mind, I have decided to flag off the Spotlight Talent Awards presented by DB Expression Phil's Pep Talk. Storytelling is the most important way of putting ideas into the world, not only today but from the ancient times. It is also one of the most powerful tools used to motivate, inspire, teach and guide young and vibrant students like you. All of you must be familiar with stories. Right from your early childhood until now, you must have heard a number of stories, and they indeed would definitely help you in shaping your personality and behavior. I would like to highlight a few benefits of storytelling. Storytelling increases your imagination and stimulates curiosity. Storytelling surges your ability to concentrate and focus by keenly listening. Storytelling helps you in developing moral, social and communication skills. Aren't they truly beneficial, my dear children? Yes, this is why I am here to venture out and commence a story series that will be featured in the DB Expression Phil's Pep Talk YouTube channel. Almost thrice a week, a short story will be uploaded. If the channel has been subscribed, you will be notified automatically. All you need to do is listen to it carefully and participate in the competitions. Now, this is the most interesting part, children. There are a number of awards that are up for grabs. The first award is Best Creative Thinker Award. You need to suggest a suitable title for the story, uploaded and typed it in the comment box. You will be able to type in your title only between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. on the day the video is uploaded in the channel. Mention your name, class, section and the title of the story in the comment box. Only the first comments will be taken into consideration. I repeat, only the first 50 comments will be taken into consideration. The most appropriate and creative title for every story will be rewarded as the Best Creative Thinker Award. Number 2, the second award, Excellent Participation Award. The student with the most active participation in the channel all through the academic year will be rewarded with the Excellent Participation Award. Number 3, the third award, for Writing Wizard Award. The student has to write a short story or anecdote and send it to philspeptalk@gmail.com within 7 days of the video being uploaded. Relevance and similarity to the theme should be maintained. Your story should have the same theme. Story should be creative, especially it should be easily understandable. It can go up to 1 page maximum. Please mention your name, class and section in the subject of the email. I am sure, my dear children, all of you will be excited and definitely you will be responding to the stories. Hoping to see your active participation and support as always. Happy holidays to you all. Wishing you all Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Thank you. May God bless you.